We here at EM Wave welcome you to our instructional video describing how to install your newly acquired 6-element Yagi antenna. Carefully read all the instructions included in the antenna package before attempting to install your antenna. For more detailed instructions and product warranty information, visit our website at emwaveinc.com. Open the Yagi antenna carton and verify all parts are included as follows: instruction sheet, warranty sticker, one antenna, item number EM-B11909, and a plastic bag containing the following hardware: one mounting clamp and U-bolt, 2 hex nuts, 2 flat washers, and 2 lock washers. We also suggest using one zip tie, which is not included as a cable restraint. Remember, installation of this product near power lines is dangerous. For your safety, follow the enclosed installation directions. Hello everyone. We will now demonstrate how to mount and install your EM Wave Yagi antenna. When mounting the clamp and the U-bolt, this is the order that it'll be mounted. The U-bolt passes through the clamp, the flat washers, the lock washer, and then the nut, which should be securely fastened. Identify a suitable support mass having a maximum diameter of 1 1/4 inches. For a vertical installation, the antenna should be mounted with the element facing upward. For a horizontal installation, the antenna should be mounted with the gamma ray facing downward. Using the U-bolt, attaching the mounting clamp to the support pipe mast. Again, being sure that the element is facing upward. Slide the U-bolt through the 2 holes located in the mast. Now, using an open-ended 10mm wrench or closed-ended, but before tightening too tight, make sure your antenna is directed in the position that you want it to be directed. Apply the required environmental seal to this end connector and coupling. Then be sure that the coaxial line is actually laying over and above the top of the antenna. We strongly suggest that you secure the antenna feed cable to the antenna right by the U-bolt connection by using a zip tie or another fastening method. You can pass it through the holes that are provided. Please contact EM Wave Sales should you have any questions or comments. We thank you for both considering and acquiring EM Wave products.